the lifestyle segment at Soulful Cooking. I'm very happy to announce that I'm diversifying my channel to bringing you videos with travel segments, hairstyling, and whatever good information I can pass on to you, which will definitely benefit you in some way. And in today's video, we are going to explore my Eastern Europe adventures, wherein I began my journey from the Zelensee, which is a small town. It's in fact a hidden gem of Austria in the south side of Salzburg city. From Zelensee, I went on to Salzburg city, then to Vienna, and then to Budapest, which was in Hungary. And the best part of this journey was that I traveled through train, and I believe that if you want to get the real vibes of a place, local transport is the best way to do it. So I will give you my experiences in this journey. I hope you'll enjoy this. Please leave your comments in the YouTube comment section and kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. This is a train route that we took from Zelensee to Salzburg city to Vienna and finally to Budapest, which is in Hungary. Each of these destinations are about 1.5 hours away from each other. Our journey began from Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus Airport at Mumbai, flying to Munich. Flight was about 7.5 hours. We reached Munich the next morning. From Munich in Germany, we took a shuttle service to Zelensee, which falls in Austria. These are two bordering countries. It was an hour and a half of ride through a very beautiful scenic landscape, and we definitely did not feel bored with the road journey. We finally reached the Grand Hotel at Zelensee, which is right at the bank of Zell Lake. Entering a room at the Grand Hotel Zelensee. Let's see what this hotel awaits for us. Wow. Wow. It's a lake view room. Very elegant. Very elegant. Beautiful. It's one of the best hotels we have ever visited. Grand Hotel offers you a panoramic view of Lake Zell, which is the beauty of Zelensee town. It's almost like a private lake for this hotel because it's right in the middle of this lake. Zelensee town is walkable from this hotel. It offers you some shopping points as well as the most famous gelato parlors, wherein you have blankets for the outdoor patio seatings. This was my most favorite part here. It's one of the best skiing destinations of Austria. The alpine water fountains are there in every corner of the town. Our hotel was only 5-minute walk from the train station. These are the different banquets, the bars and the restaurants that this hotel had to offer. The tariff at this hotel was about 22,000 Indian rupees or $300 per night, which is definitely on the higher side, but it was definitely worthwhile considering the beautiful meal options that the chef served, the kind of panoramic view and the strategic location of this hotel. I found Zelensee to be one of the most peaceful towns to de-stress yourself, especially after coming from the hustle and bustle of Mumbai. This town offers beautiful architecture that you also find in Switzerland. Most of the supermarkets and shops offered a great variety of ham and cheeses here if you are a cheese and ham lover. After a lovely walk in the afternoon through this town, we had a fabulous dinner at our hotel. It was quite an amazing sight to see the Lake Zell playing hide and seek as the fog covers it up during the misty mornings. The lovely breakfast spread at Grand Hotel was one of the grandest experiences that one could have, which offered fresh honey from the beehive itself, Great selection of all kinds of seeds that you can think of. Lovely selection of different yogurt smoothies, hams and cheeses, and a live egg counter, freshly made homemade preserves, gourmet teas, freshly squeezed juices, some of the most exotic fruits from Europe, sparkling waters, and basically everything that you could imagine for a great breakfast spread.
Herbal teas.
They had an exotic selection of homemade baguettes, bread rolls, bread slices from their own bakery. Trying different European cheeses is the best part of a European breakfast as per me. The best part of the restaurant offering breakfast was that we were sitting right facing the lake. So you could also have an outdoor seating, but because it was quite chilly outside with the temperatures of 12 degrees Celsius, so we preferred staying indoors. After breakfast, it was quite soothing to take a stroll around the lake. Daytime temperatures during late October were about 12 degrees Celsius, while the night used to cool down to about 6 degrees Celsius. Snow adventures are closed during this month of October because there's repair and maintenance work going on, but our whole idea was to just de-stress ourselves and unwind ourselves from the hectic schedules back in Mumbai. So this was the best place to be in because you don't even have to go anywhere. The resort itself offers you very beautiful ways to de-stress yourself. There are plenty beautiful swans that come right up to you to get fed at the banks of the lake within the hotel premises itself. Zell Lake also offers you summertime cruises which are shut during winter months.
Wagging his tail. Milo would have.
Grand Hotel also offers you pedal boats to be rented during the summertime. The steam, sauna, swimming pool and jacuzzi facilities on board were fantastic. This hotel offered a great midday snack which was about 4 p.m. every evening, and which comprised of soup, fish fingers, chicken fingers, pasta. And the best part was the dinner menu, which chef did a great job with, which had health choices, gourmet choices, everything that you can choose from. And I can definitely say that the food was cooked with a lot of love.